Yes. Okay. Woof. 먼저, please ignore the rack of clothes behind me. We were trying to figure out clothes to show up to the award show in. But 안녕하세요 여러분, AleXa입니다. 네, 소리바다 오즈 돌아왔습니다. Wow! We did it, guys. We did it. Like, this would not have been possible without you guys. Of course, to the wonderful and hardworking staff that we are so fortunate to have over at Ziblobble and Zany Bros. But we could not have done this without you. And I have the trophy with me. 받았던 상을 가져왔습니다. Comes in this fancy black velvet box. Oh, hello internet, you decided to quit on me? Okay, that's okay. I will just open iTunes instead. It's okay. You can decide to quit. Anyways, this nice velvety box, and look, it even says my name. Oh, that's backwards, but it says AleXa. And then if you just open the hatch, whatcha, ha. Let's see. Wow. I believe what I wanted to do was start from my recently added playlist. But songs are gonna be songs, whatever. We're just gonna make this live brief anyway. But this is she. This is she right here. Yeah, look at that. That's just, it's so pretty. Like, ooh, this is really, really pretty. Like, ugh, it's just, I still can't believe that we've accomplished this. It's kind of like I said in this speech, like, 데뷔한 지 얼마 안 됐는데, like, 이렇게 상을 받을 수 있어서 너무, it's very humbling and kind of a little scary, actually, that we're able to get an award this soon in the game. Because for those of you who may or may not have been with me since debut, it hasn't even been a year yet, actually, since I debuted. So being able to receive an award means a lot to me. And I know that my staff is also very happy. A lot of hard work has gone into everything behind the scenes. So again, thank you guys so much. Yeah. When I first saw it, I thought it was like a full sphere. No, it's like a pie chart. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry for the lack of music right now. Everything is deciding to not cooperate with me, but it is what it is at this point. But yes, I just wanted to say thank you guys for everyone who tuned in to watch 소리바다. 엄청 기분 좋아요. 네, 기분이 너무 좋습니다. 와, 기분이 너무 좋습니다. 믿기지가 않네요, 진짜. 오늘은 제가 데뷔하고 첫 어워즈라 많이 긴장되는데요. 근데 좋은 무대를 보여드리기 위해 너무 열심히 준비했습니다. 그래서 I'm really happy we were able to get this. Thanks. I don't think this is gonna be a long live. I really don't know what to say, actually. I'm just very and it was, yeah, it's just wow. Thank you guys so much for everything. I don't know what to say. I really don't. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for always supporting me and everything. Like I said, this could not have been possible without you, so thank you. And for those of you wondering, the award I got is New K-Wave Next Artist. Yes. 시나리오 Next Artist 상. 여기. Oh, you can see here. It says AleXa right there on the award. I'm very happy today. Very grateful. Very happy. I haven't felt this happy in a long while, so very grateful for this. I really do hope that in the future, hopefully there can be more opportunities to perform at more shows, hopefully. If we do happen to win another award, that would be cool, but I'm very grateful for the opportunity that I was given as 소리바다 to perform. So, like, a big thank you to all of the wonderful staff at 소리바다. Yes. Wow. I really am at a loss for words right now. Well, 손으로 하트. Yes. Oh, no, and I saw that on the social medias. When I had my acceptance speech, the mic was a little high for moi because I am a very small person, so I had to fix the mic. But I'm glad you guys thought that was funny. But yes, thank you so much for this. But for real, this trophy's so pretty. It's just this clear blue glass with like the clear glass on the bottom, like, and she's heavy. She's a heavy trophy, like, she's heavy. It's just so pretty. I think we're gonna put this in a display cabinet at the office, but I wanted to bring this home with me today, just so we could show it on the VLIVE. So yeah. You know, like when it comes to award shows, it's just kind of like being at an award show, like 그냥 like TV로만 바라보는데 그렇게 거기서 설 수 있게 돼서 너무 I don't even know what word I'm trying to find here, but it was just a great honor to be able to stand on stage at an award show and receive something. So I'm gonna stop picking this up and putting it down. But yeah, just wanted to say thank you. Oh, my nails. Yes, did someone say did I change my? I did. These actually. Oh yeah, I haven't done a live since before the award show. I don't know how well you can see these, but these are my nails now. The thumb is the same as the middle finger. Has the cross detail, and this has A and this has 4. Because if you guys look in the background of Bomb, A4 is written on the walls. And why is that? My name is AleXa, and like when you write it in Korean, it's AleXa, and sa in Korean is 4. So like A, sa, AleXa, that's kind of the running gag. But yeah, A4. Yes. Whew. Wow. Yes. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. See, that side has the camera. I should not scroll on that side. 렉선이 오늘 제 생일이에요. 제 생일 축하한다고 말해주시겠어요? 네, 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 좋은 하루 보내세요. 근데 그냥 12시까지 좋은 하루 보내세요. 내일도 좋은 하루 보내세요. Let's see. I'm so sorry that it's kind of quiet and awkward, but Oh, you tuned in during your staff's dinner? Thank you for tuning in. I hope that your staff doesn't mind you tuning in. Thank you. My parents, yes. My mom watched the award show actually back home. She was watching it on one of the apps it was streamed on. No, and it was so cute though, because for those of you who don't know, being half Korean, the Korean blood is on my mother's side actually, but because she was adopted when she was 5, she doesn't speak Korean, doesn't understand it, and so she was watching the show, and I don't think she understood that I was getting an award, that this was the award when I got it, because afterwards she texted me like a few stages later. She's like, oh, are there going to be awards at the end of the show? And I was just like, Mom, this was the award. So, yeah, so bless my mom, grateful that she tuned in. My dad wanted to watch too, but he couldn't figure out how to work things. But that's okay. My dad said he didn't know I was winning an award, but it's okay. Nobody knew. It was a surprise for everybody. Yes. 너무 놀랍습니다. Yes. But, yeah. It was just kind of funny. I was like, Mom, this is the award. Yes. So, again, just wanted to say a big thank you. 8월 15일은 내 생일이고 너는 내 선물이야. 행복해. 아닙니다. 아니 근데 미리 생일 축하합니다. 잠시만요. I can't read fast enough. 한번 인사해 주시겠어요? 당신은 정말 아름다워. 정말 아닙니다. 네, 안녕하세요. 알렉사입니다. 바로 소리바다 어제 들어왔습니다. 제가 그 시나리오 넥스트 아티스트 상 받았습니다. 네. Yeah. Let's see. It's a little late currently. I think I'm gonna try to get to sleep at a decent hour tonight, so I don't think I'm gonna stay up super late. 지금은 11시 15분인데요. 좀 일찍 자기로 했습니다. 그래서 이 빌라이브 너무 늦게까지 안 할 것 같습니다. Hi, hello to everyone watching. Thank you all for tuning in. Your hair suits you. Thank you. Whew, it's been a while since we did the bomb hair, the 2 Dutch braids going into the, I don't know if you guys saw on stage, but there's purple at the end because we put the do or die extensions in here. The thing is, so when you're performing and you have your in-ear in, you can hear everything through your mic really clearly, so you can hear your own voice and everything, but every time my braids would hit the mic, I would hear a jingling noise because of like the rings in here. So like I felt so bad for the audio staff. I hope they didn't have to deal with the constant, because I could hear it in my in-ear every time. I was like, oh, again, I did it. Nah. But yeah. Oh my gosh, wow, we really did this CB label. Sandy Bros. Yes. Well. Let's see. How are y'all doing today though? Did y'all have a good day, good night, good afternoon? Yes, maybe. 오늘은 뭐 하셨나요? 지금 너무 늦은데 저녁을 다 드셨나요? If you haven't eaten yet, please eat because it's late here in Korea. It's 11:17 p.m. Let's see, you had school, you had work. Pose for a screenshot. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Let's see, you ate McDonald's. Jealous. It's night here in Japan. Oh, konbanwa. Thank you. It's 5 a.m. Oh my goodness, please go to sleep. Please go to sleep. That is so late. Please go to sleep. Mahal kita? Mahal kita? You dyed your hair today. What color? What color? Let's see. Make a My Lipstick collection. Eventually, we've got some contents in the work over here actually, so please expect some things on the channel soon. There's stuff in the works. There's stuff in the works. After getting a minor surgery, please recover well, friend. I will be praying for you. Please recover well. Give you a name for your turtle. If it's a girl, Shelby. If it's a boy, Shelbert. Or Sheldon. We do love Big Bang Theory. Yeah. You're dyeing your hair bright red tomorrow? Ooh, that's gonna be a really nice look. Bright red hair is always really good on everybody. Hi from Colombia. Hello to Colombia. Ooh, Shell. At work preparing. Ooh, good luck. Good luck, friend. Let's see. Please give me encouragement for my math test. You can do it. Study hard. Make good grades because it will help you out in the future. Especially if you want to major in something that deals with numbers. Yes. How am I? I am elated. I am so happy. I am so grateful. I am over the moon right now. Like I am. 기분이 너무 좋습니다. I'm very happy right now. Thank you for asking. What should you eat for breakfast? You should eat some kiwis with some toast and maybe put some peanut butter on that toast. Get your protein, get your vitamins, get some fiber. Let's see. Okay, it is 11:20. I think 11:25. I'm gonna go ahead and end this because I do need to get some sleep tonight. Oh. 알렉사, 네가 열심히 해준 덕분에 너무 성공했어요. 아닙니다. 감사합니다. 여러분 덕분에, 우리 스태프분들 덕분에 이런 상을 받을 수 있게 됐습니다. Give a round of applause for yourself. Hello to Brazil. Hello. Hello to Brazil. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I don't know if you guys caught it, but today's performance of Bomb, it was a little different actually. So for those of you who might not be familiar with it, my debut song Bomb, the choreography was heavily influenced by dancehall and Afrobeats style fusion dance. And so you guys know my one of my dance teachers, Tina Mire, Miss Tina Mire. She actually helped us a lot for this stage in preparation. We changed some of the movements back to original Afrobeat and dancehall movements. We had the guara guara. We actually made that a bit more, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, kind of more true to the roots, kind of less stylized, and we put it back to the original Afrobeats style roots. We added the one leg in there. Oh, I forgot what this one is. It's not a, I think it's a different version of the zanku, but we added some Afrobeats choreography back into Bomb. So please go show Tina Mire lots of love, please. Yeah. And please show lots of love, of course, to the Zany and ZB label staff and crew. Big thanks to everybody that made tonight possible. The hair staff, makeup staff, costume staff, of course, all my managers. Even my CEO came tonight, so very, very grateful that this night was such a collective a collectively successful and happy evening. I'm very grateful for that. So, let's see, 2 minutes left. You just got blood drawn, so you can't type them. Please don't type. Don't risk anything. If you just got your blood drawn, please be safe. Make sure you drink a lot of water afterwards to help, because you can get lightheaded sometimes after you give blood. The Netherlands loves you. Thank you, Netherlands. Thank you. Let's see. What are you most happy about? So many things. So many good things happened today. I'm very grateful to have experienced everything that happened today during the time of arrival to the time of leaving. Everything was just very wonderful, honestly. So I'm grateful for all the friends and family I have both here and back home that were showing support. So thank you. Let's see, I'm gonna read one more comment, and then I'm gonna unbraid this and take out every single ring that's in here. Last time I counted, I believe there was around 72 rings last time we did this hair. I don't remember, but let's see. What will be the last comment that I read tonight before I go to sleep? Ooh. Let's see. Well, thank you all for the congratulations message, of course. One thing I want you all to know. One thing I want you all to know. One thing I want you all to know. Let's see. I want you all to know that honestly, it's because of you guys that I'm able to perform. Because before every stage I do, whether it's at music shows or at things like camp in Singapore, or today actually for the So리바다 Awards, I get really in my head. Before I perform, I get really, really anxious. Like, that anxiety spikes. When I tell you it spikes, oh buddy, does it spike. I get really in my head, get really nervous about everything. Like, sometimes almost to the point of crying. I get so anxious. But then I remember that I have my AI troopers all around the world watching and supporting and showing love. And it just kind of puts me at peace before I go on stage. So I'm really grateful to all of you tuning in, to all of you showing love constantly, to everything we do over here at ZB Label, whether it's just my contents or things with the ZB Label Hype Squad like Trip Trap. Thank you so much for always being such a light in my life. You know, I might have been performing on stage with a bunch of stage lights, but you guys shine brighter than those lights. Am I right, lads? But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you guys for always being a light for me, because no matter how dark things get inside my head, you guys are always the light that shines for me. So couldn't have done this without you. Thank you guys so much. And I'm going to go to sleep now. So 다시 여러분 너무 감사드립니다. 이거는 와, 할 말이 엄청 많은데 와. There's a lot of things I want to say. I just don't know how to say anything, even in English right now. Just wow. 네. 너무 감사합니다. 다음에 또 봐요. 여러분 잘 자요. Have a good night or day or afternoon, wherever it is. Sleep well. Love you guys. Thank you, AI Troopers. Woo! Good Night.